So today I'm going to show you all the different ways of how to install a theme. Now this was requested by more than one person to make a dedicated video just on this. I'm glad it was requested because it helps me make the content that you guys need. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so here in the back end of our WordPress website, I'm going to show you two different ways of installing a theme. The first way is we're going to be using the WordPress repository to install the themes that they have available for us. But first, let's go see where our themes are. So in order to do that, we go into Appearance and we go into Themes. So here in the Themes panel of our WordPress website, you can see all the themes that are currently in this website. We have the 2023 theme currently active on this website. It's just to say that we want to switch themes here in our theme panel. So in order to do that, all you have to do is highlight over a different theme. And you can see an Activate and Preview button pop up. If you want to activate it, all you have to do is click on Activate and then that theme will take over as your default theme of your website. But now if you want to add a totally new one, all you have to do is go up to the Add New button in the top here and click that. And here you can see there's a whole bunch of themes that WordPress has in this repository that you can choose for free. So now as we scroll down, you can see all the themes that are available to us over here. So let's just say that I'm interested in the Sydney theme. That is quite a popular theme, the Sydney in particular. In order to install it into our website, what we're going to do is we're going to hover over it and we can just click install. Now WordPress will automatically download this theme and install it in the themes directory of our WordPress website. Okay, now that it's been installed, all you have to do is activate it over here. You don't have to activate it on the screen, you can do it in that same themes screen. So you have the option to do either or. And that's pretty much everything you need to know of how to install a theme on an online repository. Some themes do have a little bit of add-ons as well that are free, and those themes will have a wizard just to help you download all those extra plugins. Now let's say we want to go to a third-party website and we want to download the themes from there and install those into our website. So to demonstrate an example of that, I'm going to go to the Unzipping market and I'm going to download a theme from there and then install that into this website. I'm not endorsed or sponsored by them in any way. It's just someone I'm going to be using for this example. So here in the Unzipping website, I'm going to head over into the WordPress themes and I'm going to choose one from there. This isn't the only marketplace you can get themes from. There's a whole bunch of different places, including actually theme designers themselves that host their own themes that you can use. But here in Unzipping, I'm going to go into More, WordPress, and I'm going to click on Themes. So here in Unzipping, there's a whole bunch of themes here that I can choose to use for my website. Let's just say I'm interested in using this barber theme over here. I'm going to click on that. So here in this page, you can see a demonstration of what this theme can do. Now, if I'm interested in downloading it, all I have to do is click on download and then it'll initiate the download for me. Now do remember that these themes from Unzipping are not free. So I'm just using this as an example of how to install a remote theme. Okay, so now that I've downloaded the theme that I want to be using on my website, in order to install this, I'm going to click on that same Add New button in Themes. Now to find that same place again, just remember if you're on the dashboard, you go into Appearance and you can say Theme. Now here on the top, we're going to click that same Add New button. But the difference now, instead of scrolling through these themes, here's a new button on this new Add Theme screen that says Upload Theme. Once you click on that, you can see that everything shifts down and now we can actually choose our theme and we can upload it. Now bear in mind that the themes are installed as a zip file, so you mustn't unzip the folder of the theme. WordPress will take care of all of that itself and it will install the theme properly. Okay, so now that I've chosen my zip file of my theme, I can say install now and it'll upload the theme from my desktop and install it into the themes folder. Now as you can see here, this theme failed to install. Now the reason why it failed is because this particular zip file was not just the theme itself. It also had recommended plugins, it had licensing, that sort of stuff. So what we have to do is we have to actually extract the theme zip file out of the original zip file and then install that. Sounds like it's starting to get complicated, it really isn't. So all you do is double click on that zip file. And inside, as you can see in this example, there was a child theme, a demo content, documentation, licensing, all that sort of stuff. And within all of this, here this barber.zip file is the theme that we want to install. So now all we do is extract this from the main zip file, put it onto your desktop, wherever. Once it's extracted, we're going to install that into our themes directory. So now we just go to Themes, we're going to Add New, we go into Upload Theme, and we're going to put in the new zip file of the theme. Now we're going to say install now. Now WordPress will install this theme into the website. And there we go, our new theme has been installed. Okay, so now I've showed you all the different ways of how to install a theme. Showed you the online way from the WordPress repository, and I showed you how to install a WordPress theme from your desktop. And then as an added extra, I showed you what to do if your theme is actually bundled with other stuff, just to extract it from the original zip file. And you can store that file into your themes folder. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. That stuff really does make an impact on the videos. If you have any requests for a video that you'd like me to make, do leave a comment down below and I'll see what I can do for you. And with that, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.